how to sell digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and how to make money for yourselves. So let's just start by choosing one of these products just to check the shop page of the product and to show you what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So let's choose one of these products. For example, let's go for one of these rings. Let's go for this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add your products pictures like this, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to enter the price of your product, how to enter the options if you have them, like the inner core material, like the ring size, and how to add the product's details, like if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, if it's made to order or if it's not yet made, how to enter the description of the product as well. And the last thing I'm going to teach you in today's video is how to set the shipping and return policies that fits you specifically. So let's just close this products page and let's go back to the main page. Go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you'll proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and in order to do that you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shipping security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So you can choose the Moroccan dirham, or you can go for the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is name in your shop. So here you choose a name for the shop, something like this, for example. Then remove the spaces between words, and if you see that the name is already taken, you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number to the name and it will be unique. Just keep tying the numbers until you find the one that is unique. I think all of the numbers are used before, so 8 is not used. So let's use it. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So in here, in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to adding the photos and details, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And as you can see here, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields. And the last one is the shipping, and here you will need to fill all of these read fields as well. So let's start from the first step, which is photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities, and for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then for the listing details, you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with entering the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, you can just enter your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from, like the guides and how-tos, digital prints, planner templates, digital. I'm going to choose guides and how-tos. And here you will have some additional details to go with, like the primary color of the product. Let's go with brown, for example. Secondary color, let's choose blue. And for the renewal options, you can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. Then for the type of the product, if it's a physical product, you can choose physical. And if it's a digital, like in my case, you can choose a digital product. Then for the description, in order guys to enter a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what is to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the pricing. So here you enter the price of the product, and here you upload your product. Because it's a digital file, you just upload it in here. You can add up to 5 files. And for the returns and exchanges, there are none for the digital products. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.